So you're sitting there, all excited to play your brand new PS5, and suddenly, out of nowhere, an error code pops up on your screen. CE-108255-1. What does it even mean? Well, don't panic just yet because I'm here to help you fix it. First things first, let's try the simplest solution. Turn off your PS5 completely and unplug it from the power source. Wait for a couple of minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on again. Sometimes, a simple restart can do wonders and clear out any temporary glitches. If that didn't work, let's move on to the next step. Check for any available system updates. Sony regularly releases updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Go to the Settings menu, select System, and then choose System Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. This might just be the solution you need. If the error code still persists, it's time to dive a little deeper. Start by checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes cause these errors. Make sure you're connected to a stable network and try again. Another thing you can try is rebuilding your PS5's database. This process can fix any corrupted data that might be causing the error. To do this, turn off your PS5 and then hold down the power button until you hear a second beep. This will boot your console into safe mode. From there, select Rebuild Database and let the process complete. It might take a while, so be patient. If none of these solutions work, it's time to reach out to Sony's customer support. They have a dedicated team of experts who can guide you through the troubleshooting process and provide further assistance. You can find their contact information on Sony's official website. Remember, error codes can be frustrating, but they're not the end of the world. With a little patience and some troubleshooting, you'll be back to gaming in no time. Good luck.